guys, so today I'm with Nokia Lite Earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android phone. So at the first, on your Android phone you have to open the Bluetooth settings. Next you have to click to pair new device, and right now we have to open case with your Nokia earbuds, remove them from the case, and of course you have to remember to charge the case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. On the back you will find this USB-C input, so there you can plug the cable, and as you can see they will pops on the list after a few seconds. So we can just simply tap on them once, click pair, and we will be successfully connected with our Android smartphone. So that's how we can make it. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.